Following a rousing end to last week that saw the S&P 500 surge above the psychologically important 1600 level and the Dow Jones break above its major milestone of 15,000 for the very first time, this session seemed a bit muted, with the Dow Jones little changed approaching the closing bell. Now, first in Europe, shares ended off of their lows after European Central Bank Chief Mario Draghi stated that the central bank is closely watching incoming data and is ready to take action, if needed, to address economic weakness. Meanwhile, in the United States, no major economic reports were due for release. This kept investors hesitant to jump in after the recent rally. And with front-month crude oil prices up 0.2% and the euro slightly lower against the U.S. dollar, as well as gold easing on low volume, it looked to be a steady and quiet start for the Dow Jones this Monday. Speaking of which, taking a look now to see how the Dow Jones has fared, the Dow is slightly on the downside, down 5.07 points to settle in at 14,968.89. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of Apple, which rallied after Barclays raised its price target on the iPhone maker to $525 from $465. Tyson Foods, that took a hit to lead the S&P 500 laggards after the meat processing company posted weaker than expected earnings while also slashing its full-year revenue estimates. And BMC Software said it agreed to be acquired by a private equity group led by Bain Capital and Golden Gate Capital for about $6.9 billion. And we also have Macerich announcing that it will replace Coventry Healthcare in the S&P 500. This after the close of trading on Wednesday. Coventry is now in the process of being acquired by Aetna, and the deal is expected to be completed later this week.